What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Bali Danoa. Today I will introduce a new software Tenorshare iCarefone. Download link of this software is in description of video. So you can use this software to fix many common problems of your iOS device. Good news is this software support latest iOS 12 and almost all device. It's free to download and this one software can fix many of your problems. Fix your iPhone stuck at Apple logo error with just one click. You can use this software to repair your software issues like slow iPhone error or a freezing iPhone problem. Clean your memory using this tool with one click and speed up your phone. You can remove annoying ads from Safari or other software's ads from your iDevice using this software. Also you can use it to backup and restore your backup, as I already have downloaded this tool. Now I will open this tool and guide you through how easy it is to use and show its features. First of all, connect your iOS device to your computer using cable. Once it's connected you can see on screen that your device is connected. Firstly I will do a memory cleanup. It's simple as shown on your screen, just click the scan button. It will scan your device and will show you result on screen. You can clean selected files from your phone. Cleaning will speed up your iOS device. Next you can manage your files using this tool. You can manage your contacts, videos, photos, apps etc. You have to follow steps as shown on your computer screen. Only this tool can manage selected files and selected apps. You can also use this software to back up your data. You can back up different files depending upon your requirement. As you can see on screen you can back up photos, notes, videos, messages etc. It's very easy to use to back up and restore your backup. Everyone hates those annoying ads in your apps and Safari. But this tool can help you removing those annoying ads with just one click. Just scan this barcode and install the ad remover on your iDevice. After installing you just need to enable the ad remover and all ads will be removed from your iDevice. Do you have iPhone which stuck at Apple logo or in recovery mode? Then you need to download this tool to fix these issues. You just need to connect your iDevice and click on Enter Recovery Mode. After entering into recovery mode this software will flash new OS and will fix Apple logo error as well as iPhone is disabled error. Other common issues can also be fixed using this tool. Lastly you can use this tool to repair your iPhone or iPad operating system. To fix the iOS you can need to click on Fix Now. That's it. After this tool will analyze the problem and will fix it. In case new iOS software is required to install it will download and install it. You don't have to find files on internet. All you need is this tool only. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys will like this software. Link to download this software is in description of video. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. I will see you guys in next video.